Go somewhere, you're gonna sit down, you're gonna look cute, you're gonna get, oh, I love your hair, I love your hair. Thank you very much. And then that's it. You just put her back up. She gonna get... Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today we have a wig that comes to us from Outre. Yay! So the name of this wig, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I want to say it's Amarilis. I hope that is correct. It comes in a bunch of colors. You guys know the deal. It comes with an HD lace and you get two adjustable straps in the back, combs on the side. This one is a right side part. Let me repeat that. This one is a right side part. So I love this red color. I love the dark root that comes on this. I did spray it, as you probably saw at the beginning, with some of my tint spray. I always go in and do that. I probably should have put some powder on this one because I feel like in my pictures it did not pass the outdoor test. That's probably just me, but yeah, it didn't pass the outdoor test, girl. I felt like I still saw a little bit of that ghostly or white from that HD lace. So literally I took this wig and made it a throw and go. Threw it on, cut a couple hairs around that hairline, and I made this a throw and go. You can go in and pluck the front of it some more if you want, and you can get this wig to look really, really good. I didn't even glue this down. I literally just took and put some mousse on it, and I took and put a little bit of Got to Be gel and some spray, you guys, and I turned this into a throw and go. Absolutely love the color that's on this, and I love the body, love the wave. Now this wig is really long. I do love the color and have positive things to say, but I do have some pros and some cons, so stay tuned for those. So this is the final look for this one, and she is a pretty. I will tell you that I don't think she's gonna last a long time. You're definitely going to have to restyle her. She's gonna be one of those wigs that you're gonna wear and then you're gonna put it up. You may get a couple wears out of it, by a couple wears depending on how long and how many hours you wear this wig. This wig starts to tangle and mangle at the ends. I'm sure that's because it's long. Otherwise, the curl up here is pretty long as well. So you may need to go in and tailor this to your face, because this piece here that does the swoopity swoopity swoop, it's a long swoop. So I feel like I would like to push it where it's back here like that and freeze it here, but you still would probably need to go in here and cut it just a little bit, maybe trim it a little bit. Now this bottom piece, like I said, this here tangles, so you're gonna have to keep a comb handy so that you can go in and get some of those tangles out. Now I said all that to say this: for the color, okay, stay with me now, for the length, for the style, it's a bob. Okay, so it's an occasion hair. For an occasion, it's a bob. Look at that. Okay, it's pretty. You're gonna wear it, you're gonna go somewhere, you're gonna sit down, you're gonna look cute, you're gonna get, oh, I love your hair, I love your hair, thank you very much. And then that's it. You just put it back up. You'll be able to wear her every day. Now the great thing about this one that's compared to the one that's in the 1B, I feel like this one has texture. If you guys have this wig, please back me up if you think that the one that you have color in has texture, because this one here feels like it has texture. That one feels like it feels like slippity slip. It doesn't feel like it has texture, but this one does. So I feel like because of that, it's going to last a little bit. Now when I say restyle the wig, I mean you're gonna have to maybe cut this off at some point, which is not a big deal, and transform them into something else. So I'm saying go in, you may have to cut it and make it a little bit shorter. You may go up in here and cut this a little bit, or something like that. You may go in and straighten it a little bit. I'm saying you may have to remix her and redo her at some point, not now. Next thing is, if these curls come out and you say, yeah, but I don't want to cut it, get you one of these. Let me show you. Get you one of these rods, go in, roll your hair nice and tight as you want it, dip it in some hot water. You guys know how we do over here. We just dip it in hot water, let it stay on the mannequin head till the next time you want to wear it, or go ahead on and blow dry it on cool. And then when you take it out, you're going to get that nice finger curl, that finger roll curl. And then that way you guys can save the wig. Now the next thing is, if you want to just do that from the start, so if you want to take one of your rollers when you put this one up and just go ahead on and roll it, so that way it keeps it nice and it keeps it together after you comb it out. Because it's one of them wigs you're going to sit in the front, or you may sit some in the back, and then you're just going to let it sit there. Otherwise, this wig in this color is really pretty. In the 1B, it's nice too. It gives me, like I said, it just gives me birthday hair, basketball wives, you know, Instagram baddie, give me all that stuff. But with this color here, this color just did something with this red. It just came through like, hey. Love how they take it and they blend it through. Like, you see that red, but you definitely see that black as well. So if you want to sit behind your hairline, you can. A lot of these I've been thinking like, okay, since they're throwing golds, can I like sit it a little bit behind my hairline and let a little bit of hair out? You guys know this edge always come out more. It never lets me be great. So that one comes out a little more, and I don't like pulling the whole wig up, so I'll pull a little bit of my edges out and just blend it in. But yeah, this is cute, you guys. Like, let me give you a 360 and start running my mouth. So I'm gonna push all the hair to the back. This is it from the side. Let's pull my shirt down. This is it in the back. Okay, so the hair is pretty long, but we are in the midst of winter and boots and fur, so we can wear some long hair. We ain't got to be worried about that heat, so we good with the long hair in the winter time. So let me know if you guys will like this one, if you're going to pick it up. She's a cutie. Is she a must-have? I can't say that, but I think for the price, and if you want some color, go for it, sis. Go and pick her up. I'll leave you guys a link below to pick her up. Thank y'all so much for watching today. Appreciate you guys. Definitely my returning subscribers and my YouTube base. Y'all know what I'm gonna say. Thank y'all for what? Pulling up on the sister. I appreciate you guys staying to the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Hit the bell. Hit all, and you'll be notified every single time that I upload, and you will not miss one of these wigs or whatever else I got going on over here on the channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.